Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tuna steak on the grill. Start with the best tuna. Look for steaks that are about 1 inch thick and have a vibrant, deep red color. Before seasoning, it's super important to pat them completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve that perfect crust we all love. Then, a light brush of olive oil on both sides, followed by a generous sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper, will prepare your tuna for the grill. Getting your grill to the right temperature is key for a fantastic tuna steak. You'll want to preheat it to a high heat, aiming for about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, take a moment to clean your grill grates thoroughly with a wire brush. Then, lightly oil those clean grates to prevent any sticking. A hot grill ensures a beautiful sear and keeps the tuna from drying out. Now for the grilling, place your seasoned tuna steaks directly over the hottest part of the grill. For a delicious medium rare, which is often preferred, you'll want to grill them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remember to flip them only once to get that amazing sear. An internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit indicates a perfect medium rare doneness. Once your tuna steaks are perfectly grilled, it's crucial to remove them from the heat right away. Don't skip this next step. Let them rest for about 5 minutes before you even think about slicing. This resting period is super important because it allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the steak, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Finally, slice against the grain for the most tender pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.